Hello and welcome. Introducing the Hulisen Donut Cutter, the revolutionary tool that will change the way you make donuts forever. With its unique design and innovative features, the Hulisen Donut Cutter takes the hassle out of creating perfectly shaped and delicious donuts every time. Say goodbye to messy dough and uneven shapes, because this handy tool does all the hard work for you. Simply roll out your dough, press the cutter into it, and voila! Beautiful, professional-looking donuts ready to be fried or baked. The Hulisen Donut Cutter has got you covered. And the best part? It's made from high-quality stainless steel, so it's durable, easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and built to last. It features a non-slip handle that enables a strong, easy, comfortable grip. Great for creating donuts that are consistent in shape and size. Donut making has never been this fun and effortless. So why settle for store-bought donuts when you can create your own mouth-watering creations at home? Experience the joy of homemade donuts like never before. Get your Hulisen Donut Cutter today. If you like this video and you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. If you would like to see a video on a different topic, just leave a comment in the description below.